Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. Although the device is relatively easy to open, we recommend the repair primarily for hobbyists who have already gained experience in the repair of tablets or smartphones. To change the LCD screen, many small components have to be removed and transferred. This must be done with the utmost care so as not to damage anything. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Removing the back cover. Use the plectrum tool to lever between LCD screen and frame. Lever once around until you can raise up the back cover. Removing the micro USB flex cable. Remove the protective tape from the flex cable connection with the tweezer and release the connection with the plectrum tool. Remove 2 screws of the connection covering from the other end of the flex cable. Release the flex connection with the spudger. Heat the 2 coverings and remove them by levering with a spudger. Then you can remove the whole micro USB flex cable. Removing the cameras. Lever out the camera and remove it. Do the same with the front camera. Removing the loudspeakers. Right loudspeaker. Release the loudspeaker connector from the mainboard. Remove 2 screws first and then release the loudspeaker connection with a spudger. Heat the loudspeaker module from the side slightly. Disconnect the flex cable of the loudspeaker with the plectrum tool and clap it aside. Remove the loudspeaker module by levering with a tweezer. Left loudspeaker. Remove 1 screw from the loudspeaker module. Heat the loudspeaker module slightly. Lever out the vibromotor with a tweezer. Then you can remove the whole loudspeaker module by levering with a tweezer. Removing the battery. Remove the protective tape from the LCD flex cable and release the LCD connector with the help of the plectrum tool. Remove also the protective tape from the battery connector with the help of the tweezer. Remove 4 screws, 2 above and 2 underneath the battery. Take out the battery and release the battery connector within the same step. Removing components from the old LCD screen to transfer them to the new one. Release the flex connector of the mainboard. Release the connection of the light sensor module from the mainboard with the plectrum tool or with the spudger. Lever out the mainboard carefully with the help of the spudger and remove it. Heat the light sensor flex cable slightly. Release the light sensor flex cable with the help of the plectrum tool carefully and remove the whole light sensor module. Remove the protective tape from the LCD flex cable, release the connection with the plectrum tool and remove the LCD flex cable. Release the flex connector with the spudger. Heat the flex covering slightly and lever it off with the spudger. Now you can also remove the rest of the flex module by levering with the spudger. Release the flex connection in the upper area of the LCD screen and heat the flex slightly. Release the flex cable stepwise. If needed, heat it again and remove it. Fixing the components. Set in the flex cable to the lower area of the LCD screen and fix it. Then fix the connector. Set in the flex cable to the lower left side of the LCD screen and fix it by pushing. Link the LCD connector and close the clamp with a spudger. Fix the protective tapes by pushing it with a spudger. Set the light sensor module into the upper area of the LCD screen and fix it with the spudger. Set in the mainboard. Fixing the battery. Set in the battery. Link the battery connector. Fix the screws which are located around the battery. Lay down the LCD flex cable across the battery and link the LCD connector with the mainboard. Fix the protective tape on the LCD connector with the help of the spudger. Link the connector of the light sensor module with the mainboard. Fixing the loudspeakers. Set in the left loudspeaker, inclusive the vibra motor, and fix it by pushing. Fix the loudspeaker module with one screw. Set in the right loudspeaker and fix it by pushing. Fix the flex cable of the volume buttons laterally on the LCD screen by pushing slightly with the spudger. Connect it with the mainboard. Fix two more screws on the loudspeaker module. Fixing the cameras. Fix the front camera. Fix the main camera. Fixing the micro USB flex cable. Set in the micro USB flex cable and connect it. Adjust the covering of the connector and fix it with two screws. Connect the micro USB flex cable to the mainboard and fix the protective tape. Closing the device. Adjust the back cover and start pushing it down in the upper left corner. Push it solid once around. Please be careful, otherwise you will damage the LCD screen. Finally, test the functionalities of the LCD screen. Was the video helpful to you? Then share your experiences in the comments or give us a thumbs up. Do you have any suggestions for our future videos? Then please let us know in the comments.